Hi there, my name's Alaw and I'm a postgraduate student here at Aberystwyth University. Today I'm going to talk you through the application process for applying to a master's programme at the university. We'll touch briefly on submitting an application for research, and if you have any follow-up questions you can always ask them using the virtual open day chat facility. The first piece of advice I always give to postgraduate students for what to include in their applications can be summarised as follows. The course you apply for will require dedication, research skills, motivation and the ability to be articulate. Try and prove these skills in the way you submit your application. This means taking the time to research the programme thoroughly, think about why this university and why this particular course, look at the course content and make sure you address some of the skills that you'll be required to develop and use as part of the programme. And like a standard undergraduate application form, your postgraduate application should be specific to the university, the department and the course. Try to avoid general personal statements, as it's not really appropriate to use the same application for multiple higher education providers. So, what do you need to include in your postgraduate application? Well, the university will want to see good references from appropriate professors and relevant employers. For a standard taught master's application, only one reference is required. You can submit an application without this reference, but the university will need to receive it before they can make you the proper offer. The reference should be on headed paper and signed by the relevant referee. For research applications, you will need 2 academic references. The university will need to see transcripts, proof of qualifications and certificates as soon as you receive them. Again, you can submit the application without having this information, but your offer will likely be conditional on your final results and you will have to provide proof that you have the qualifications you say you do. You don't need to send the original documents, copies are fine, and these should be translated into either English or Welsh by a respectable source if needed. If you are an Aberystwyth graduate, the university should be able to get access to your results, so you won't have to think about this bit too much. We would encourage you to check how your likely grades will compare to the entry requirements before you apply. The admissions officers will look at the applications holistically. This means that they treat your references, personal statements and academic grades equally. The general entry requirements are a 2-2 normally in a relevant discipline, or if you are applying for a conversion course, which is in a different discipline to your bachelor's degree, the university will accept many types of undergraduate degrees. There is also an inclusive admission system, so if you are a mature student with significant work experience, you can be considered for a master's degree on the basis of the relevance of this experience to your proposed study with us. A personal statement should highlight your motivations for wanting to study the course and mention your trajectory for the subject. Do you intend to study for a PhD? Are you looking for access to a particular career? Where do you see yourself in a few years' time? It should also add value to any statements you make. Use lots and lots of examples to back up your claims and statements and try not to be bland. Try to treat the application like you would a job application. It's probably your course coordinator reading the statement, so make a good first impression. Also spend time checking your spelling and grammar so you don't make simple mistakes. A good personal statement could be the turning point in you receiving an offer. You'll need excellent English skills in order to cope with the level of the programme. If you have not studied in a UK university before and English isn't your first language, you'll need to prove your English skills. The university has an excellent international English centre that will help you get your English up to scratch. You can enrol on a pre-sessional English class by emailing the university for more information. Some departments may ask for extra information too. For example, the Creative Writing Masters might want to see some examples of your work. If you're applying for a research programme, you should check out the research interests of staff to see if there is a supervisor who might be best suited to you. Don't be put off if you can't see an instant match. Departments are always interested to hear from great students with excellent research ideas, and they'll do their best to find the right supervisor for you. It's always recommended that you contact the department you're applying to before submitting your research proposal. If you are submitting an application for research, you'll need to include a proposal which outlines what you want to research over the next 1 to 3 years, depending on the programme you're applying for. Also, don't forget to think about how you're going to finance your postgraduate degree. You don't need to know the exact details when you apply, as you can always check for any scholarships and funding support online on the university's funding calculator. So, to summarise your application to Aberystwyth, write an excellent personal statement, think about your financing, get proof of your English language skills if you need it, meet the required grades and find suitable referees, and also check for any extra admissions requirements set out by the department. Now you're ready to make an informed application to Aberystwyth University. Pob lwc, good luck.